Here I'm on the way to the Gigafactory right now, and it's my next door neighbor's Tesla. One day soon I'll have the Cybertruck.
TV money, make your personal savings work for you. Listen to my secret friend, the Dow Genius.
It's a down day in the market. Do we get scared? No! We go to Brazil, where they are calling the bird flu vaccine market. Buy Biotech de Brasilia.
Well, this is amazing. I am in for 1,000.
Hey, maybe I go in for a grand myself.
I'll sell a few guns and invest too. Financial dignity might be an interesting switch for me.
Say it.
Welcome back. My name's Brian Roschetzky. Thanks for watching. So before we headed over to the Gigafactory, had some chores to take care of. So we headed over for a nice sunset flight around TeraTexas. Hope you enjoy. Check it out. On this episode, we're going to fly around GigaTexas with gorgeous sunset colors. Then we're going to zoom in to the Christmas tree ceremony, show you the topping out of the Christmas tree and all the signatures. We'll tell you more about that later. Then we'll fly over to the Gigapress area and check out the casting machine pieces that I have something to uncover. Then we'll fly around GigaTexas or TeraTexas and show you this place as it gets dark. Enjoy. Thanks for all your support and all my Patreon supporters as well. I couldn't do this without you. Think about supporting me on Patreon as well if you think this video's brought you value. And thanks again. Enjoy. Let's check out this evening's shoot. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll know when my next video comes out. When I first watched this video, I actually thought I might have played this in reverse because in one of my videos, I tried to play a video in reverse to see if anyone noticed. Someone did comment and notice. This isn't in reverse. This guy's just driving backwards, I think. It looks cool. So right here, if you look through the paint building, you can see the casting area, and they're actually working and uncovering and putting together the large Gigapress or casting machines right here. So check that out. You can see it right through the beams. Well, you might be asking, why is there a Christmas tree on top of TeraTexas? Well, this is actually a long, ancient construction tradition. There are many such rites associated with a new edifice, including the laying of foundation stones, the signing of beams, and ribbon cuttings. But what's particularly charming about the construction tree is that it isn't associated with the beginning or the end of a construction, but rather the tree is associated with the raising of the building's highest beam, hence the name, the rite. The topping out ceremony. It's a sign that the construction process has reached its lateral apogee, or its most auspicious point. A very interesting time here at TeraTexas. Hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Here you'll notice a couple of those containers are open, and as we fly in again, like I said before, something's uncovered. You can see the large counterweights that were unloaded previously are now on the back of the yellow crane. The large casting machine is now uncovered, and you have in the bottom right corner, crews were working inside that container, unloading all that as well. So lots going on in the Gigapress area. So interesting, and just such a great time to be alive right now. More of these concrete walls have been put up, and that's going to be done in no time. It was right around this point when my battery was dying. By the time I got back to the car and took off, and that sun had gone down, and wow, this place was looking lively. And again, I want to thank everyone for watching. This has been one of my favorite adventures and projects over my entire lifetime, flying over GigaTexas. And I want to thank all my Patreon supporters and everyone who supported me along the way. I couldn't have done it without you, so thanks again. And don't forget, the best form of support is simply being here and watching my videos and sharing my content. So thanks again, and have a great night.
Only 100 subscribers.
Doesn't he?
I mean money.
Subscribers, yeah. Does he have a Cybertruck though?
No. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. The Cybertruck is awesome and it costs $200,000. So, and bye guys. Happy to the weekends. Bye.